Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl. Hey y'all, so you can tell by the title, today we are doing another wig review. This wig is in collaboration with Parkson hair wigs, so I want to give them a huge thank you for sponsoring today's video. So the good thing with Parkson hair, they are their own supplier, so any type of wig you need customized, if you are looking to have them as your vendor maybe for your own personal hair business, they will get you right. Okay, I absolutely love this hair. It was absolutely beautiful. I love that it was already curled. The lace was very transparent. It is a 13x6. You do get the, of course, bleach knots and the pre-plucked wig, and it is 100% human hair. Loved everything about this wig. Decided to slow this install down just a little bit, just to give you a more in-depth tutorial on how to properly wear your wig. So I hope you guys appreciate that. It took me a while to get this video going, but I hope you guys appreciate that. Once again, I want to give a huge thank you to Parkson hair wigs for sponsoring today's video. You already know the drill. If you want to see all the details or know all the details, don't forget to check the description box below. I think you guys should hurry up and buy, especially while it's on sale. I don't think if people really knew the quality of this wig, I think this wig would be completely sold out. Okay, so I think y'all need to take advantage and get it while you can, sis, okay, because this wig is absolutely everything. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and until next time, I will see y'all later. Love you.